Hi guys, this is Just Blue TV at dahil weekend ngayon nandito po ako sa Alcobar. Kaya naman I decided to visit Half Million Coffee Shop once again kasi gustong gusto ko po dito yung kanilang cafe latte. So yes, kasama ko po yung mga tropa ko dito. So we are actually five and right now, eto papasok na po kami sa Half Million. For those of you who wants to visit and to try Half Million, tara na po guys dahil the best dito at yes, may libre po ditong kasama po yung tumbler o yung baso ng kape na o-orderin nyo po. Kaya naman sulit po yung ibabayad nyo to. Thank you for watching and yes, dito po to sa may Conich sa Damam. So guys, punta na po kayo anytime. Thank you for watching and see you again on my next one. Bye!